There are people experiencing financial difficulty in Medicine Hat, and some of them are considering bankruptcy as a way of dealing with the situation. If you are contemplating filing bankruptcy in Medicine Hat, it is important to consider how it will affect your credit rating. My name is David Smith, a trustee with personalbankruptcycanada.ca. The good news is that once you have filed and met your duties of your bankruptcy, you can start straight away to repair your credit score. Rebuilding your credit rating after a bankruptcy can be easier than most people realize. A bankruptcy trustee can't help you to repair your credit, but they can show you how to repair it yourself. In fact, many clients report the process of going through bankruptcy and building their credit rating back up as a positive event, one in which they have learned how to be responsible with their money and, more importantly, worry and bad debt free for the rest of their lives. One method of repairing your credit is to obtain a secure Visa or MasterCard. Your deposit is held indefinitely while the creditor checks how you deal with this new debt. A good idea is to charge a small amount to the card and pay it off in full at the end of each month. Several months of this activity can increase your credit rating. For more useful tips or to contact a trustee, visit personalbankrupcymedicinehat.ca.